Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Spotify to Waze in 2026. Do you want to control Spotify without constantly switching between apps? Waze can connect with Spotify and give you music controls directly from the navigation screen. And here's exactly how to do that. But before we start, the Waze app is available in the Play Store and also in the App Store. So if you want to download it from there and enjoy this easy driving experience and practical also, and you can also download the Spotify app from the store. Let's go back to our topic. The first thing you want to do is make sure Spotify is installed in your phone and that you're signed in. Then you're going to open the Waze app, as you can see here. And then once you open the Waze app and you're signed in, you're going to start a route or return to the main navigation menu. Here, then you're going to look for the music or audio icon on the map. It's on the top right corner. As you can see, it's this one right here. You're going to click on it. And here from these options, you can find YouTube Music or Spotify. You're going to select Spotify. Now Waze will show you compatible audio apps installed on your phone. Then you're going to select Spotify, and if prompted, allow Waze to connect with Spotify and grant the required permissions. Also, once connected, Spotify controls should appear through the Waze audio player, and you can access your music while keeping your navigation visible. Depending on the setup, you may be able to play or pause music and skip tracks without leaving Waze. And if Spotify doesn't appear, make sure the app is installed, updated, and open on your phone. You may also need to restart Waze after installing Spotify. And that's how you connect Spotify to Waze. Now you can navigate and manage your music from one place to another. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave the comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.